My name's Matt Curio, and we're here to talk a little bit about our ATTO Technologies Thunderbolt products. First of all, I'd like to tell you a little bit about ATTO Technology. We're a storage connectivity company for fiber channel, SAS, and SATA type protocols. We make HBAs first that go into the PCIe slots. And as new products and all-in-one computers came out, like the Mac Pro and HP and Lenovo laptops, Thunderbolt, there was a problem with plugging PCI cards in there. So Intel has designed a new technology called Thunderbolt, and Thunderbolt extends the PCI bus outside the box. So, as an obvious move towards this new generation, ATTO has taken all of our HBA products and has been able to integrate them with Intel's Thunderbolt technology to provide solutions for the media and entertainment industry to be able to connect and use these workstations to work on their media clips. We first started with Thunderbolt 1 years ago, and current products are Thunderbolt 2, including in SAS RAID, SAS HBA, fiber channel, and Ethernet, 10 gigabit Ethernet. And now we're featuring a new product from Thunderbolt 3. Thunderbolt 3 is 40 gigabit technology, and so we are able to actually use this to enable the capabilities of the latest technologies in our industry, and this includes 32 gig fiber channel and 40 gigabit Ethernet. What we're showing here at IBC today is a new product, is a Thunderbolt 3 to 32 gigabit fiber channel connection, and is talking to a fiber channel storage array and playing back some video on this Lenovo ThinkPad. To the right, this is the old Thunderbolt 2 device. This is actually not only just provides SAS SATA connection, but it also provides RAID connectivity.
So just to get clear, so when you say fiber channel,
yes,
without Thunderbolt, how would you have connected a fiber device up to something like a laptop, or was it possible?
It was impossible before that.
You needed a PCI card to be able to connect it.
You need a PCI card, and these devices obviously don't have PCI connections. So the beauty of Thunderbolt is it brought that PCI connection outside the box.
Right, got you.
Now these users have the capability to do the same thing they were able to do on workstations like the Z820 over there.
Yeah.
That they can on the laptop.
I see. So in the past you would have got a device like that, you stick a card in there, you put all your connections into the card.
Correct.
Now you've got that, and so those are the fiber.
Yes, if you'd going in. Come around back, take a look. As you can see, the new Thunderbolt 3 cable connects to the back of the laptop machine. Right. And fiber channel comes around and connects into the fiber channel switch. Very simple to use device, plug and play, and works just like the HBAs that you're already familiar with.
So what kind of data goes down the fiber channel? What's your typical usage?
So, absolutely. In Thunderbolt 3, what this enables for users is 4K capabilities.
Right.
With Thunderbolt 2, performance is a little bit too low for 4K. 2K and below, they could work a lot. But with 4K, the bandwidth requirements were too high. Thunderbolt 3's new 40 gigabit technology allows them to use multiple streams of 40 gig through these devices. This is why it's beneficial to 32 gig fiber channel.
Yeah. So this is kind of your example of the old style way of doing it with the card. Yeah. Like you said, you can't do that on here.
Yep.
But then this is your little interface box.
Exactly.
You carry up.
Exactly. If we want to walk over here, I can show you how the same technology is used to enable 40 gig Ethernet.
Right.
This is also a Thunderbolt 3 device, 40 gig Ethernet. Again, to be able to provide that a big enough pipe for the 40 gig Ethernet, Thunderbolt 3 is the technology to use.
Okay, so what's this then going into there? This is your Ethernet.
So what we have here, we'll come around front. This is a typical Windows server box.
Yep.
Connected to a bunch of SSDs internally, and what we're able to do is put our 40 gigabit NIC in there and share out the storage via any network protocol, whether it be NFS, SMB, whatever is supported.
Yeah.
by doing this 40 gig out to the Thunderbolt 3 to 40 gig, now your laptops, your all-in-ones, your Mac Pros can connect using Thunderbolt 3 technology and get the benefits of 40 gigabit technology.
Yeah. So if you were to go direct from here to here with an Ethernet cable, you'd get 100 meg at best.
Exactly.
So you're,
if not less, because many of these do not come with gigabit ports anymore. It's coming over the air through Wi-Fi.
Yeah. So if you have Wi-Fi, you're really looking at low.
Slower, right?
So you've got 40 gig between these devices.
Exactly.
Right. So you've got a lot of data to move around. That's the way to do it.
It enables that 4K and 8K, in this case even 8K technology to a certain level.
And when you're running on a big Windows server like that, you need that throughput.
Yes. Well, and with the benefit of we partner with Mellanox on these cards. The benefit of 40 gigabit is it removes TCP, so now you can get that line speed and actually get the full speed out of the phone.
Oh, I see. Right.
So you couldn't before with 10 gigabit.
Yeah.
So that 10 gigabit uses TCP. 40 gigabit that has technology that uses direct memory access.
Right.
So now it fills the whole pipe, and now it's using the whole pipe of Thunderbolt 3.
So what does Windows think? It's just an attached drive.
It thinks it's an attached NIC.
Right.
And you configure it the same way you would your Wi-Fi connection or your onboard gigabit connection.
Yeah.
The integration is seamless. Driver, plug the card in, the drivers are included right in the Windows operating system.
Yeah.
Boot right up and configure your network as you would any other card.
So all you need then, so if you've got all this set up on your network and you've got your laptop, all you need is one of these and you don't have to do any other cards or anything, any expansions. And what's the sort of, are these sold to resellers, or is this is this specialist equipment?
We have distributors and resellers worldwide that these can be purchased from. Many end users. It's quite a consumer product.
Yeah, I was thinking that. Yeah.
Not only do you have big corporations, big media companies buying these for all their editors, but we have small companies, small editing companies, even individual users that might use this who just need the performance that they cannot get through the typical connectivity.
A lot of common theme seems to be that I've talked to a lot of people here today and recently is GoPros and all these kind of things are all producing 4K video, and then how would you get them onto your device and store them on your network and everything else? So this is
it's a very good way to do it, and share them between. And before, when this happened, they were waiting hours. They start the transfer and they go get a cup of coffee and have a cigarette or something, and now it's the instantaneous transfer speeds in many cases.
So Thunderbolt, it's not just so you can have it connected as a drive. That's one use of it. Is that right? And then another is the networking side as well.
Yes.
And it goes down the same pipe at the same time, effectively.
Exactly. Yes.
One single port. Great. Well, that's really interesting. So where do we go to find out more information?
You go to attotech.com on the web, and there's a solutions page and a product page where you can find all of our products and all information.